Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Serena Evangelia from class 1A, NIM 226111035. The ballpoint pen is the universal writing instrument of the 20th century. When the tiny metal ball at the writing tip is drawn across a sheet of paper, it rotates within a housing at the end of an ink reservoir and is coated with ink, which it transferred to the paper. The first ballpoint pen was invented by John Loud in 1888. Loud has been working on a design for a non-leaking pen to mark leather and fabrics, and although his cumbersome design was similar in essence to the modern item, it was never manufactured in large quantities and the patent was allowed to expire. The first workable design was patented in 1938 and became widely accepted in 1942 when the United States Army required a pen that would not leak in high-flying aircraft. The ball of the pen is fit into a socket so that it rotates freely. Several internals Dutch in the socket feed into the ball. The other end of the socket is fitted onto a metal or plastic tube that contains the ink. When the ball is pressed on paper and moved, the capillary action draws the ink from the reservoir. In effect, the ball functions as a valve to prevent a variable flow, and on rotation it acts as a suction pump drawing out the ink. One problem was that as some of the ink ran out, a partial vacuum was formed between the back of the ball that ink reservoir, which out of the supply. This was solved by making a small hole at the far end of the reservoir. As the ink at the tip is sucked out, more ink from the tube is drawn into the socket to fill its place, the vacuum being prevented by air that is drawn through the vent. Disposable ballpoints have improved considerably in efficiency and reliability since 1938. Further improvements made recently include the production of a pen that writes at any angle, even upside down, and the development of a new ink that is erasable. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.